Students, this video class for map activity. We will learn about this video from physical division of India. Okay students, what are the physical division of India? You know? Yeah, the northern mountain, the northern plain, the western desert, the southern plateau, the coastal plain and the island. First, now I explain about in Himalaya mountain. India is a unique country in which all major landforms like mountain, plateau, plain, coast and desert are found. Okay, the northern mountain stretches across the northern border of India. The northern mountains are covered with snow throughout the year. Mount Everest in the Himalayas is the highest peak in the world. Mount Everest in the Himalayas is the highest peak in the world. It is 8,848 meters high. Where is located? It is in Nepal. The Himalayas have three ranges. The Himalayas have three ranges. What are they? Himatri, also known as the Greater Himalayas. Himachal, the Middle Himalayas. Sivolik, the Lesser Himalayas. Okay? Students, now we will see about the northern plain. Okay students, what is meant by plain? A plain is a large flat area. What? Flat area of fertile land. A large part of northern India is flat and fertile. This area is known as the northern plain. Why? The plain located in a north side. So it is called a northern plain. The northern plains lie to the south of the Himalaya mountain and run from Punjab in the west, Assam in the east. Again, northern plain lie to the south of the Himalayan mountain and run from Punjab in the west to Assam in the east. This area is not of the same width throughout. It is broad in the west and narrow in the east. Okay. Next, we will learn about the western desert. What? The western desert. Rajasthan is divided into two parts by the Aravalli range. The west side is covered with sand and consists of the Great Indian Desert. Again, the western side is covered with sand and consists of the Great Indian Desert. It is also known as the Thar Desert. It extends from the Rann of Kutch in Gujarat to the border of Haryana, Haryana. Okay, now we will learn about plateau region. Okay, students, what is meant by plateau? A plateau is a raised stretch of land that is flat at the top. It resembles a double top. Hence, it is also known as tableland. Okay. The southern plateau is a triangular in shape and lies to south of Narmada It is bordered in the north and narrower in the south. The states which lies in this region are Gujarat, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and eastern part of Kerala and Odisha. Okay? Students, now we will learn about the coastal plain. Okay? India has a long coastline. It is about 7,600 kilometers long. The coastal plain is a strip of plain land near the sea. The Deccan Plateau is surrounded by narrow coastal plain on the eastern and western side. The plain along the western coast is called the Western Coastal Plain. The plain along the eastern coast is called the Eastern Coastal Plain. Both plains meet at Kanyakumari, which is the southernmost tip of the Indian mainland.